GST Council's 19th meeting addresses cigarette tax anomaly through Cess adjustment. In its 19th meeting, the Goods and Services Tax (GST) Council responded to a discrepancy in cigarette taxation, taking proactive measures to rectify the situation. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley presided over the meeting and highlighted the need for swift action to eliminate unintended benefits enjoyed by cigarette manufacturers due to a loophole in the GST rate structure. While maintaining the peak GST rate at 28% and a 5% ad valorem cess on top of it, the Council decided to revise the fixed cess on cigarettes. This adjustment aimed to correct an anomaly that had emerged after the initial GST rate determination, where manufacturers were unintentionally benefiting from lower taxes. The existing cess rates were supplemented by a substantial increase, ranging from 485 rupees to 792 rupees per thousand sticks. The Council's move was projected to generate an additional tax revenue of 5,000 crore rupees, which would have otherwise been retained by manufacturers as unintended fiscal gains. The GST Council had initially set a 28% rate for cigarettes, accompanied by a 5% ad valorem cess. Additionally, a fixed cess of 1,591 rupees per thousand sticks was imposed on both filter and non-filter cigarettes up to 65 mm in length. However, this structure led to a situation where manufacturers could either pass on the reduced tax benefits to consumers or capitalize on the unintended profit gains. Many manufacturers chose the latter option. To address this unintended consequence, the GST Council promptly raised the fixed cess rates. The revised rates, effective from 18 July 2017, are as follows. Non-filter. For cigarettes under 65 mm, 5% plus 2,076 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 5% plus 1,591 rupees per thousand. For cigarettes between 65 mm and 17 mm, 5% plus 3,668 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 5% plus 2,876 rupees per thousand. Filter. For cigarettes under 65 mm, 5% plus 2,076 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 5% plus 1,591 rupees per thousand. For cigarettes between 65 mm and 70 mm, 5% plus 2,747 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 5% plus 2,126 rupees per thousand. For cigarettes between 70 mm and 75 mm, 5% plus 3,668 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 5% plus 2,876 rupees per thousand. For other types, 36% plus 4,170 rupees per thousand sticks, previously 31% plus 4,170 rupees per thousand. Minister Jaitley assured that consumer prices would remain unaffected by this change, as the increased tax burden would offset the unintended profit gains that manufacturers had been capitalizing on. The GST Council's response to this situation underscores its commitment to equitable and effective tax policy. Through this measure, the Council has demonstrated its dedication to maintaining a balanced tax regime that ensures fairness for both businesses and consumers alike.